Hello friends, welcome to the world of project management and for a overview session on quality management. Motto of this training is to share my experience in preparing for PMP certification and I have prepared few slides. Friends, let's start with my introduction. I am Anil Kumar Dharam, based in the city of Nizams, Hyderabad, working in IT from last 14 years and currently working as project lead and manager from last 4 years. I succeeded in my certification in 2019 August month and supporting two major projects currently and giving training on the SAP and project management. Let's quickly move to our agenda for this session that we are going to discuss on introduction to the quality management, processes in quality management, key concepts of this quality management, trends and emerging practices, tailoring considerations, agile or adaptive environments and activities involved in complete the project quality management as per the Rita Mulkey chat. Before discussing these topics, we will discuss about the importance of this chapter. Mainly this chapter will improve your understanding of the efforts required to address the quality at the most effective level. Let's start with why this quality is required in our projects. Let me explain in the best way. Many project managers do not think that managing quality is not required, but a lack of attention to the quality results in rework and defects. The more rework you have to do, the more time and money you are wasting, and also the less likely you are to meet the project schedule and cost baselines. So, if you focus more on quality, you can spend time preventing rather than dealing with the problems. And also you can save time on the project and avoid this rework and problems, that is defects. Hope you now understand how quality plays a key role in executing the projects. Fine, let's move to its definition as per the PMBOK guide. That is, project quality management includes the processes for incorporating the organizational quality policies regarding planning, managing and controlling the projects and product quality requirements in order to meet the stakeholders' objectives. And also it supports the continuous process improvement activities as undertaken on behalf of the performing organization. Hope you now clearly understand its definition. Let's move to the next concept for today, that is a review of the process groups in the quality management. We have three processes in the project quality management knowledge area. They are plan quality management, managing the quality and controlling the quality. Let's define each process in detail. First, plan quality management. The process of identifying the quality requirements and standards for the project and its deliverables and documenting how the project will demonstrate compliance with the quality requirements and standards. This is the plan quality management. Moving to the manage quality process. The process of translating the quality management plan into executable quality activities that incorporate the organizational quality policies into the project. This is the managing quality. Coming to the last process, that is control quality. The process of monitoring and recording the results of executing the quality management activities to assess the performance and ensure the project outputs are complete, correct and meet the customer expectations. Hope you understand all these three processes definitions and I hope you got some idea on what each process does in this process flow. Fine, let's move to the keywords and some terminology related to the quality management. We'll start with first what is quality, what is grade, what is precision, accuracy, cost of quality, impact of poor quality and manage versus control quality. Okay, let's discuss on each keyword first with quality and grade first. Quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills the requirements, whereas the grade is a category assigned to deliverables having the same functional use but different technical characteristics. An important point to be noted in terms of quality and grade is while a quality level that fails to meet the quality requirements is always a problem, the low grade may not be. Hope you understand this point. Fine, let's move to the next keyword, precision. Precision is a measure of exactness, that is, the value of repeated measurements are clustered and have little scatter. Coming to the accuracy. Accuracy is the assessment of correctness, that is, the measured value is very close to the true value. Moving to the next keyword, cost of quality. It includes the total cost of all the efforts related to the quality throughout the project and product life cycle. It also includes the operational cost like the product returns, the warranty claims, recall campaigns, etc. Fine. Let's discuss on impact of poor quality. We have impact in terms of poor quality product services, that is increased cost and rework, low customer and team satisfaction, schedule delays and increased risk. Okay, fine. Hope you understand now the impact of poor quality. Let's discuss on manage quality versus control quality, the last keyword. Manage quality is the process of auditing the quality requirements and the results from the quality control measurements to ensure appropriate quality. Whereas the control quality is the process of monitoring and recording the results of executing the quality activities to assess the performance and recommend the necessary changes. Important point to be noted here, quality assurance cares about the use of the quality methodology, that is, does not care about the results, and also the quality control does care about the root causes of poor quality and service quality. And also, apart from these keywords, we have other keywords also which are very important, that is prevention and attribute sampling, prevention and inspection, attribute sampling and variable sampling, and tolerances and control limits. Hope you understand now about the keywords and concepts of quality management. Let's discuss on trends and emerging practices. In trends and emerging practices of the quality management, we have the customer satisfaction, continual improvement, management responsibility, mutual beneficial partnership with suppliers. Okay, let's discuss one by one the trends and emerging practices concepts. First, with customer satisfaction. This is very important everywhere. We have to satisfy our customer with the specified requirements. Here in agile environments, customer satisfaction is maintained throughout the stakeholder management with the team. We have to understand, evaluate and manage the requirements to meet the customer expectations. This is very important. Hope you understand this first training concepts. Moving to the second one, that is continual improvement. This is also one of the very important in every project, as we have to continually improve our processes and services to meet the customer requirements. In this, we have Shehart and Deming method, that is PDCA plan to check act cycle for the basis of the quality improvement, and also we have few initiatives such as TQM, that is total quality management, Six Sigma, Lean Sigma to improve the quality of the project management. Fine, let's move to the next trending concept, that is management responsibility. This is very crucial task as each member in the project team takes the responsibilities of their assigned task, and as we know, the success requires the participation of all the members with their assigned responsibilities. This is very important as the management responsibility. Moving to the last emerging concept, that is mutually beneficial partnership with the suppliers. Here the organization has to maintain a good relationship and partnership cooperation with the suppliers to get more benefits. The long-term relationships over the short-term gains more in terms of creating the value added, and also we can reach to the customer expectations and also optimizes the cost and resources also. Hope you understand clearly about the trending and emerging concepts of the quality management. Let's move to its tailoring considerations. In the tailoring considerations, we have the policy compliance and auditing, standards and regulatory compliance, continual improvement and stakeholder engagement. First, we will discuss on policy compliance and auditing. In this, we have to check whether we have the quality policies and procedures exist in the organization, and also the tools and techniques and templates used. Moving to the standards and regulatory compliance. Here we have to consider whether we have any specific governmental, legal or regulatory constraints that need to be applied on the projects. Okay, moving to the continuous improvement. Here we have to check whether the quality is managed at organizational level or the level of each project, and also how this quality improvement is managed throughout the project. Fine, moving to the stakeholder engagement. This is important. As said previously, we have to check the collaboration of all the stakeholders and suppliers throughout the project. Hope you understand about the tailoring considerations. Let's move to the consideration of agile or adaptive environments with respect to the quality management. In the considerations we have navigate changes, recurring and subsequent retrospectives, frequent incremental delivery agile methods, etc. In order to navigate the changes, agile methods call for frequent quality and review steps building throughout the project rather than toward the end of the project. Coming to the recurring respective to regulatory checks. That is, it checks on the effectiveness of the quality processes, and subsequent retrospectives evaluate any trail processes to determine if they are working and should be continued or new adjusting or should be dropped from use. And coming to the last, and in order to facilitate frequent incremental delivery agile methods, its focuses on small batches of work incorporating as many elements of the project deliverables as possible. Hope you understand about the considerations of the agile or adaptive environments. Let's move to the activities involved in complete quality management with respect to the Rita Mulkey chart. First, determining the development approach, life cycle and how you will plan for each area. Determine the quality standards, processes and metrics. Determine team charter and all the roles and responsibilities. Go back iterations. Finalize all management plans. Develop realistic and sufficient project management plan and baselines. Request changes. Continuously improve, perform progressive elaboration. Follow the processes. Determine whether quality plan and processes are correct and effective. Perform quality audits and issue quality reports. Use issue logs. Use and share project knowledge. Update project management plan and project documents. Take action to monitor and control the project. Measure the performance against other metrics in the project management plan. Analyze and evaluate the data and performance. Determine if variances warrant a corrective action or any other change request. Influence the factors that cause change. Request changes. Update the project management plan and project documents and perform the quality control. Okay, hope you understand about this all concepts which we have discussed. Introduction to the quality management, processes in the quality management, the key concepts, trends and emerging practices, tailoring considerations, agile or adaptive environments, considerations and activities involved in complete project quality management as per the Rita Mulkey chart. This completes our session on the introduction to the quality management. Let's discuss more detail on each process of this quality management, first with plan quality management in the next video. Bye for now, it's your Anil Kumar Dharam.